Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Dapper and Dapper. Contrib through NuGet. Once done, add your connection string to app settings. JSON and register a typed IDB connection in DI. Create simple DTO classes that map to your tables and scaffold a repository interface. Make the first methods async so you avoid blocking threads. Also, prefer parameterized SQL with anonymous parameters to prevent injection. This is the foundation for safe, fast access. Next, write your data access logic with query async t for selects and execute async for updates or inserts. Pass parameters as anonymous objects like new ID equals ID. When joining tables, use Dapper's multi-mapping overloads and set split-on to control column mapping, which keeps object graphs correct. For multi-step changes, begin a transaction on the connection, run commands with that transaction, then commit. This ensures consistency and clear error handling when multiple statements must succeed together. To finish, ensure proper lifetime. Dispose connections or scope them via DI so pooled connections return correctly. Add logging and SQL profiling to inspect generated queries and parameter values. This quickly reveals mismatches or missing parameters. If mapping fails, confirm column names match DTO properties or alias columns and adjust split-on for multi-mapping. If you see nulls or empty results, verify the SQL works directly against the database and that your parameter types and names align. This usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.